friends and students, welcome to English Funda Kolkata. Now I am going to discuss a fantastic idioms. Top dogs. Dogs দিয়ে কিভাবে নতুন নতুন শব্দ করা যায় and how you can increase your vocabulary as well as reading power in English. Let us discuss dogs idioms. I have many times discussed what is idioms. Idioms is a group of words that totally differs other meanings. Here are three words. Sick as a dog. Sick as a dog means very sick. খুব অসুস্থ যে ব্যক্তি যে লোক তাকে বলে sick as a dog. The man is as sick as a dog. So he was hospitalized. লোকটা প্রচন্ড অসুস্থ সেই জন্য তাকে হসপিটালাইজড করা হয়েছিল। নাম্বার 2, go to the dogs, become bad. অর্থাৎ when you are going to mix with some bad company, you are going to become bad. That is, go to the dogs. The boy has gone to the dogs by mixing the bad fellows. ছেলেটা খারাপ সঙ্গদোষী become bad, খারাপ হয়ে গেছে। The boy has gone to the dogs because of mixing with bad fellows. Top dogs, very interesting English. Top dog, most important person. Mr. Sen is the top dog in our society. But we respect Mr. Sen because he's the top dog in our society. আমরা মিস্টার সেনকে খুব রেসপেক্ট করি কারণ সোসাইটির মধ্যে একটা খুব গুরুত্বপূর্ণ লোক। So these are the beautiful idioms which you can use by dogs. Okay? If you like this video, please share and subscribe our YouTube channel, English Funda Kolkata. Till then, goodbye. See you again on the next video. Thank you, everyone.